Hey guys, it's Taylor from Kellysport. I'm out here on this wonderful spring day on a 27 QX. This is going to be fastback with an arch and a T2, one of my favorite boats to ride. Starting off in the bow, this is a QX, so you'll see we got this nice, beautiful grab handle all the way around the top. That's going to be nice when whoever's driving is getting a little wild. You got something to hang on to, you get a nice, secure ride. You've also got the twin storage areas in the front. A lot of customers end up using these for fender storage. Great spot, you can easily access your fenders either side. Moving back into the bow of the boat, you've got these nice long loungers here that you can kind of sit back and put your arm right here. You'll also notice the grab rail continues all the way back. We've also included USB and USB-C with a volt reader on there, so you kind of know where you're set up. Here at midship, you'll see right out of the gate, we've got the boarding door. Really nice dock level, easy access in and out of the boat. You don't have to climb over anything. Nice sturdy door. And then moving right here, you'll notice we've got a custom option. This is going to be the forward facing bench. So instead of a bucket seat or a rear facing, we did this custom forward. It's nice because you can sit forward with your arm right there on the armrest, or you can flip this up. Now it's a two-person seat. And then moving over to the helm, Bennington does a great job with their helms. You'll see we've done the raised platform with the sea decking on there. And then really beautiful helm station with these twin screens. Got a nice big 12-inch Garmin there in the center, and then paired with that Yamaha CL5 on the right. This being a twin engine, we do have the sticks right here, and a nice inductive phone charger down here on the right for the captain. Now we've arrived at the aft of the boat. You'll see I'm still covered by this extra large bimini when I'm sitting in either two of these seats. And then this being the fastback, we've got the seats that match the front. You've got the flip down cup holders on both. And then plenty of room to lounge facing backwards, watching whoever's tubing getting thrown off, or just kind of watch the water as you drive down the lake. Moving to the complete rear of the boat, you'll see that we've got the ski pylons right here. These are removable if you're not going to use them, but they are very sturdy. You can even tow that giant rubber ducky with 5 of the grandkids if you want. And then this being the twin engine, we've got 2 Yamaha 300s on the back of this boat. These are going to be the digital control, so there's no hydraulics or anything, all digitally controlled motors, and then a nice drop down ladder here in the middle, easy on and off for the boat. All right guys, thanks for taking the time to walk through the boat with us and see how it runs. One of my favorite boats, but the next step is for you to find out for yourself. Give us a call, let us talk you through the different options in stock models such as this one, or just stop by the marina in the showroom, check out the boats for yourself, go for a ride when the weather's nice. We really look forward to earning your business. Hope to see you